Hello mga kabebe! Another pearl harvest for today. At meron tayong, batong-bata pa. So, did you pick already? This is one? Okay, let's go. Let's harvest your pearl. Mapalaban tayo sa Englishan dito. Wala tayong masyadong baon. Kaya yan. Buti na yun, taga-Canada, mga Pinoy eh. Kanina, no? From Thailand ka, ma'am, but you look like Filipina. Half-half, that's why. Just be careful. If you can't do it, just ask for my help. Okay? Just slice it like a cheese. Okay, that's it. Okay, one more. Okay, Amy? So hard. Okay, ready? Ready. Okay, go. Open it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! Nice! Let me clean it. Okay. There's nothing here. Okay. Have a picture first, sir. Okay, go. Let's harvest. Put your pearl here. Just pop it like you're popping up pimples, even though you don't have pimples yet. Yeah, just put it here. This one. You start here.
I'll start here.
Okay. Nice. White color. Another. Wow. Perfect round. Nice one. Actually, we're looking for perfect round because this one is quite expensive than the other shape. We have another shopal. That is button. Another button shape. Button again. You have plenty of buttons. Button. This one is oval. And that's mostly cream color. Cream means to help. Okay, another button shape. Okay, we have one peach color. This is peach color. We've got mostly white and cream. If you watch our video, the last guy who harvested here, he got 26 pieces purple. Oh, you already have 2 peach color. Okay, that's it. Let's count. Let's count your pearls. 1, 2. Please hold this. 2, and then go count it.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait.
Yeah, just put it there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 pieces. Yay! Congrats! From America, harvest, and mostly white and cream color, but she got 3 pieces of peach color. Okay, congrats! So, please go on our jewelry area. This is pearl cleaner to clean the pearl. Okay. Okay. You want to take a picture with this?
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. My assistant will assist you. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. How's your experience of pearl harvesting?
My experience is very fun. It's my first time to do this, and I think Earl did great. Great job.
Yay! Thank you so much. So, we'll see you later when you pick up your jewelry. Okay. Thank you po. Thank you, ma'am.